So one of the things that I saw a lot on our midterm was mixing up greatest common factor and least common multiple. And there seemed to be not a whole lot of understanding about how to find greatest common factor or what factors even are. So factors are numbers that multiply together to create another number. So like 2 and 3 are factors of 6 because 2 times 3 equals 6. And you can think of factors as the factor ninja that's chopping up numbers into their factors. Okay, so our problem that we're going to work on today is finding the GCF of 18 and 24. So the first thing I want to do is list out the factor pairs of 18. So I know that 1 and 18 are factors. And I'm just going to keep going up from 1 and see if that number is can go into 18. So I know 2 can go into 18 because 18's an even number. So 2 times 9 is 18. 3 can go into 18 because 3 times 6 is 18. And I know 4 cannot go into 18 because 4 times 4 is 16, and 18 is only 2 away from 16. 5 cannot go into 18 because it doesn't end in a 5 or a 0. And then 6 is right here, so I know that these are all of the factors of 18 that are possible. So now I can move on to 24. And I know 1 and 24 are factors. And I know that 2 can go into 24 because 24 is an even number. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 can go into 24 because 3 times 8 is 24. 4 can go into 24 because 4 times 6 is 24. And 5 cannot go into 24 because it doesn't end in a 5 or a 0. And then 6 is the next biggest digit, so I know that these are all of the factors of 24. Okay, so now I want to find all of the common factors. And so 1 and 1. 1 is a common factor because they are listed in the factors of 18 and 24. 2 is a common factor. So is 3. 4 is not because it's not listed in 18 even though it's listed in 24. So that's not a common factor. 6 is a common factor. 8 is not, 9 is not, 12 is not, 18, no, 24, no. So these are my common factors. 1, 2, 3, and 6. And since we are looking for the greatest common factor, I'm looking for the biggest one of these, which is 6. So the GCF of 18 and 24 is 6. And that is my answer.